In this video, I'm going to show you how to access an e-read. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the Read 180 page. Once you get to the Read 180 page, this will be your home screen as you know. You have your student app, your real book, and your independent reading. You're going to want to click on independent reading. This independent reading will bring up any book on your reading list if you've clicked on it before. This student has read two different things before. So it's going to show you how many books or e-reads you have read. It's going to give you your words you read, which is impressive. And also when you take a quiz on each book, you will have your quiz points and your current Lexile level that is based off of your reading inventory that you did earlier in the year. So for this example, I want to show you a couple of things. This is your bookshelf. On your bookshelf, we'll list anything that you've clicked on or read. If your bookshelf is full and there's more than 4 stories on here, it will not let you choose another one. So what you'll do is click on the 3 little dots and click remove. If you do not remove it, you cannot access another book. For this example, I'm going to show you how to access a new e-read. So if I want to know what all of the e-reads there are available, I'm going to click on all titles. And this will show you books based on your Lexile level immediately. I'm going to show you how to identify what's an e-read and what is not. You have 4 titles here: ebook, audiobook, paperback, and another ebook. All of these are in the Read 180 library, but they are not e-reads. If you're interested in these, you can click on this and read this for your independent reading. You can listen to it as you're reading. Or if you want to come to the school, if you're virtual, and borrow a book, if it says paperback, I will let you do that. So you just have to contact me. But these are not e-reads. In order to access the e-reads, I have to make sure I come up here and click on the arrow. I close the tab. All e-reads are on Lexile level 1000 or above. So I click on the arrow and it brings down to all the titles. And you look here, a day to remember is an e-read, a different kind of rhythm, e-read, and so forth. It's Her Majesty's Request is not an e-read. You have to make sure you pay attention to that. So if you want to click on one, you click on the story, it gives you a description, it'll read the description to you, tells you how long it is, plus it's worth 2 to 4 points. The more you read at the end of the year, I tally up the points and give a prize to someone who's read the most and done well with the quiz points. So you click on the story and you can click all the way through it and read the whole story right here. And at the end of the story, it's going to ask you to close out with a little blue X, and you close out and it'll say goodbye. Close out again. In order to take the quiz, you have to click back on e-read, go to your story. Oh, excuse me, I actually did that kind of wrong. Sorry about that. Click on the story. To take the quiz, you come down to the 3 little dots, more options, and then it's going to ask you, after you come down here, do your activities to quiz. Okay, so this is what you want to do. I'm going to do that again just so you see it. Close out. In order to take the quiz, go back to your e-read, go to the bookshelf, click more options, click quiz, and it'll be like this. You have a choice. Choose a quiz and get credit for rating. So you can do the 2-point quiz or the 4-point quiz. Now, you have to score an 80% or higher in order to move on. That means you have to get 3 of the 4 questions correct. If you only get 2, it is not correct. If there's 5 questions you can only miss 2 questions. Depending on the story, it'll be 4 to 5 questions. So these are a little tougher, but you also gain more points for the end of the year prize. So again, if you can get below 80%, you have to wait a day and then you can go back and read it. It will not let you repeat it immediately. Do not start clicking through rereads and trying to score it. I want you to do your best on the first and then we can talk about it. But this concludes your tutorial on how to access eReads. If you have any questions, please email me and I can walk you through it again. Have a great day.